Hi. Today we are presenting sketch of our newly developed project, Klarf Viewer. An idea is to combine Klarf data with inspection images to create comprehensive solution. Another incentive for this project is a validation of classifiers we could create on customer request. Well, we added Klarf Defect distribution classifier and trained it on Kaggle wafer dataset. Pattern class of defects distribution will be reported as Klarf file will be opened. By listing all loaded Klarf files classifier will show associated learn pattern for defect distribution. On the Report tab, we could observe all defect-related Klarf data as well as basic Klarf data. We loaded 25 Klarf files and listing them observing defect pattern classification. Also, we have neat option to merge all chosen Klarf defects in one map and classify it by pressing Merge Klarf button. In case if we have metadata of images collected by inspection and review, we could bring up image associated with every defect O Klarf map. By clicking on red dots representing defect on Klarf map, we are uploading related image. And immediately after uploading image, go through another classifier trained earlier. Here you could observe image presentation and classification routine. Please let us know if you like our approach and what you could suggest us to improve. Thank you for attention.